Welcome again to another beautiful day. It's a bit cloudy, but at least the weather is clear today. We are again at London Heathrow Airport. I'm looking at these beautiful matching birds landing. It's gonna be a beautiful day, wonderful day indeed. This is seeing the first aircraft landing here. British Airways flight BA 777. It's not a 777, like it's not a Boeing 777. That's its call sign. So it's BA 777 all the way from Stockholm, landing at London Heathrow Airport. Departed 2 hours 5 minutes ago. I hope you guys enjoy. And then the following airline landing, it's a Boeing 777. Yeah, this time around it's a Boeing 777. American Airlines, flight AA136, all the way from Los Angeles, LAX, landing at London Heathrow Airport. Departed 9 hours 24 minutes ago. Ground speed 131 knots. Beautiful aircraft. Beautiful. I think this is a routine flight because we also had the same flight yesterday. Same aircraft. I can remember this number, AA136. Beautiful landing. Perfect. And guys, remember, if you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and as well as the bell button, so that whenever I post another video, you get the notification, you get to watch the video first, and you get to enjoy these beautiful views with us every day. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for your support. We hope you enjoy. Let's see who's next. This is the first time we actually get to spot this one on our channel. I guess we're blessed. It's a small aircraft. It only flew for about 55 minutes. All the way from I don't know how to say this, but all the way from Cork. You will be able to pronounce it yourselves, guys. So all the way from Cork, landing at London Heathrow Airport. It's Aer Lingus, flight EI 714. It's an Airbus 320. Ground speed 128 knots. Let's see how they fare. Beautiful. 20, 10. Put it down. Beautiful. Nice one. Perfect. I just like that leafy greeny thing at the back. It's a beautiful design. Looks amazing. We hope to see you guys again during the course of the week, because this is our first time spotting this airline actually. And who is next? Beautiful lineup. Beautiful lineup that's coming through. You will see. Beautiful. So the aircraft that is next, it's another Airbus 320. British Airways BA 607. All the way from Geneva, landing at London Heathrow Airport. Departed an hour and 10 minutes ago. Ground speed 134 knots. Barometer altitude 75 feet. Landing gear down. Landing lights fully on. And we should be down in a minute. Put me down. Perfect. Although a bit bumpy, so I'll give that landing a 7 out of 10. But so far, I think they did great. Oh, I can't wait for the aircraft that's going to land. If you're not new here, you'll understand why, and I'm sure you can guess the aircraft that's going to land. It's a very, very special aircraft. It's one of my favorites. I really, really love this aircraft. Come on, guys, take a guess. Just look at those wings and take a guess. Ladies and gentlemen, London Heathrow Airport, all the way from Los Angeles, LAX, I present to you United Airlines, Boeing 787, the Dreamliner. Just look at her. Look at how beautiful she looks. Oh gosh. Ground speed 140 knots. Put me down, she says. And they did perfectly. Well done to this crew. Wow. Just listen to this sound. Listen to the sound. Departed 9 hours 33 minutes ago. Listen to that sound. What more can you ask for, guys? Come on. Oof. Yeah, né? Today, this session is really a session for special airlines that we have not seen before. Because the next aircraft that's going to land here, it's also the first time that we get to spot such an airline, such an aircraft at Heathrow. And we hope it's an interesting one. Eh? You see, big aircrafts take time to taxi through the runway. These guys really give ATC work for their money. Oh, the Dreamliner is beautiful, guys. Just look at that.
I used to say, if I hear AI one more time, I'm gonna lose it.